Join me as I put Samsung's fastest titanium whitesilver Galaxy S25 Ultra to the test and see if it can handle my craziest smartphone challenges. In this video, you will explore the features of Samsung's fastest titanium whitesilver Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB AI smartphone and what makes it stand out in the tech market. This phone promises to deliver top-notch performance, especially with its AI capabilities. Many smartphones struggle with performance and efficiency, especially when handling multiple tasks or demanding applications. I've experienced firsthand how frustrating it can be when a phone lags or freezes, wasting precious time. Whether it's switching between apps or trying to edit a video on the go, performance issues can really hinder productivity. For those who rely on their smartphones for work or play, having a device that can keep up is essential. You will delve into the specifications of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including its powerful AI features, camera capabilities, battery life, and design, showcasing how it overcomes common smartphone challenges. The Galaxy S25 Ultra comes equipped with a large storage capacity of 512GB, ensuring that users have ample space for their files, photos, and apps. Its AI features are designed to enhance user experience by learning from your habits and optimizing performance accordingly. The camera system on this device is also noteworthy, offering high-quality image capture and advanced editing capabilities. Additionally, the battery life is substantial, supporting extended use without frequent recharging. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's design is both sleek and durable, featuring a titanium whitesilver finish that not only looks premium but also offers protection against wear and tear. Its large, vibrant display makes it perfect for watching videos or gaming. What really sets it apart, though, is its ability to handle demanding tasks with ease, thanks to its advanced processor and efficient software. Highlighting the moment when the Galaxy S25 Ultra outperforms its competitors in a real-world multitasking scenario, demonstrating its speed and efficiency, is crucial. By running multiple applications simultaneously, from video editing software to social media and a web browser, the Galaxy S25 Ultra shows no signs of slowing down. Its AI-driven performance optimization ensures seamless transitions between tasks, making it an ideal choice for heavy users. When compared to other flagship devices, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's superior performance becomes evident, offering a smoother and more responsive experience. Moreover, its ability to quickly launch apps and switch between them without lag is a significant advantage. The Galaxy S25 Ultra truly stands out in a crowded market by delivering what matters most to users: speed, efficiency, and reliability. Summarizing the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, emphasizing how it addresses performance issues and enhances user experience, reveals that this smartphone is a game-changer. With its powerful AI features, robust camera system, long-lasting battery, and sleek design, it sets a new standard for what a smartphone can do. Encourage viewers to leave their thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out your other videos for more tech reviews and insights. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra cell phone, 512GB AI smartphone, unlocked Android, AI camera, fast processor, long battery life, 2025, US 1-year manufacturer warranty, titanium whitesilver. Brand Samsung. Operating system One UI 7, Android 15. RAM memory installed size 12GB. CPU model Snapdragon. CPU speed 3.5 GHz. Memory storage capacity 512GB. Screen size 6.9 inches. Model name Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Wireless carrier unlocked for all carriers. Cellular technology 5G. Multiple tasks with one ask. Streamline your day with an assistant that gets you. Ask it to Google search for a pet-friendly vegan restaurant nearby and text it to your friend. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra handles multiple tasks with a single ask. Superscript 1. Start the day smarter. Stay one step ahead with a phone that gives you the info you need before you even know you need it with Now Brief. Squared. Reduce the noise. Reveal the magic. AI camera with audio eraser lets you capture vibrant videos in low light and minimize unwanted noises so you can relive your favorite moments with fewer distractions. Cubed. Bring out the best in every face, capture every portrait with clarity and confidence on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The advanced portrait features adjust skin tones and preserve natural textures, giving every shot a polished, professional look. Switching is quick and easy. With Smart Switch, you can move your pics, videos, music, apps, contacts and convos to their new home, safely and securely, in just a few simple steps.